Hello, dear students. When we open Canvas, on the bottom of the screen, we see 5 icons. The first one is Dashboard, and we talked about it. We know it's a page that contains our courses. The second one is a calendar. So if you click on that, you see a calendar. This calendar shows us our assignments, quizzes, or midterm dates, or even we can make an event. So if you click on the 3 dots at the top right side of the screen, you see day, week, and month. If you check day, you see the assignments or quizzes that are due today. If you check week, you see assignments and quizzes for this week. And if you check month, you see assignments or quizzes that are due this month. The other option that we have is select calendars. In this page, we select those classes that we want to be on calendar. So basically, it's the best idea to have all our courses for this semester checked. After you're done, just click on Done. The other option that we have is Create New Event. If you create a new event, you can create your own event. For instance, if you want to meet your professor, you have an appointment with your professor, you can enter a title, have a date for it, a time, set a time for it, and click on OK. You can enter a location for it, for instance, your professor's office number, or here at the end, you gave yourself a note. And then when you do that, just push Save. And this is all. So day, week, month, select calendars, and create new event. The third one is To-Do List. So it's a list. We have assignments and quizzes here too, not in the calendar, but as a list with their due dates. So it's also always a good idea to look at to-do lists to see what assignments or quizzes are due. Next one is notifications. So if your professor sends you an announcement that we will talk about later, or a message, or if they change any due date or add in any assignment or delete any assignment, you will see them here on notifications. It's also a good idea to check notifications 1 per day, then you see what is going on in your class. And the last one is Inbox, which is messaging through Canvas. So I'm going to also talk about Inbox in depth. All I wanted to know now is to understand the functions of these icons and to know what they do basically in Canvas.